Oh, that's me leaving the bothy. It's a glorious morning. All I'm doing is wandering up to Ballater. So a bit of a quiet day today. There's Steve, aka camping on the wild side, or the wild side of camping. I will link his channel below as he's filming. Morning. And you know what happens when two YouTube cameras combine? I'm just trucking along the road basically to Ballater, leaving the Cairngorms behind. It's been a good couple of days in the hills actually. Yesterday was really good. So I'm just following this road up. I was supposed to be on that track over there, but I wasn't looking at my map and I ended up on this road. There you go, it's parallel, so it's no difference. Well, I've just left the campsite at Ballater. I'm joined by Matt King today. Walking down the Tarfside over Mount Keane. I take it that fell down through flood damage. And there you go. Who would have thought? This is the River Dee.
A, B and C.
Yeah. Well, we're just on the track out of Ballater. A bit of a misty morning, but it's nice. It's keeping the main heat off us. Bloody hard slog out though. Ugh. Keep putting these bloody mountains in the way. Who thought it?
Who put that there?
Yeah, who put that there? So we're not heading up. That's not Mount Keane. It's a track that goes up.
Got to go down before we go up.
Oh, have we?
Oh yeah. We'll do it all again.
Of course we do. Right. There you go.
You got out of shot just while I was still walking towards.
What's that one called up there?
Lucas or something. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you.
Lucan, isn't it? Cairn Lucan.
Yeah, Lucan.
There we go. Cairn Lucan, Lord Lucan. It's only a Graham, so not worth our time at all, really. We're heading this way to Mount Keane. Yeah, there we go. I have no idea what that is up there. Looks like a hare.
It looks like sort of deer, doesn't it?
Or a big hare.
Yeah.
I've seen loads of hares actually.
I have bad news.
Go on.
Look at him.
Is that Darren?
Yeah.
For God's sake. Darren, who he's not doing the TGO, he's driving around his new electric car. With everything, including the kitchen sink in it. It's just gone through second breakfast like a hobbit. He's not allowed to eat that, is he?
I don't think he should.
No. Well, anyway, we're going that way. Here's our first look at Mount Keane. So we've just got to get down off here and follow the track round. Wow, we're about halfway up Mount Keane. Oh, bloody hell. This is a bugger. There it is. Right, I'll bring you back at the top. Christ. Oh, there's Matt on top. We're on the top of Mount Keane. That was a bugger. In fact, those last 200 metres weren't as bad as the climb up to them, were they?
Oh, no.
But
sorry, am I in your way?
no, no, no.
Is that okay? Prove it. Are you coming up to the top?
Yeah, I was waiting for you to come down.
Alright, fine. Let's take it careful.
Yeah. Ain't got much of a view, I'm afraid. There's a little one. Yeah.
Fuck all to see.
Yeah. Yes! Very nice. Hello. Thought we talked to ourselves then. Hey? No.
Sure, because I was going to just look at that.
No, no.
That's going to get us in a minute, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm thinking about coating up now.
I'm going to drop down first, I think. Well, we've dropped down off there. Yeah, we're just heading to Tarfside. I think the Queen Elizabeth's well. Is that it? Oh, that's it down there, isn't it? That's her well.
Could be.
There we are. Queen Victoria's well. Oh, I wouldn't drink from that.
Well.
She hasn't got a well guard on it. There we go. Right, we're heading off down there. Well, the weather's come in horribly as usual. Pissed down last time I came to Tarfside. I'll give you a look back. Much prettier view. Oh dear. Right, we're going to push on over Tarfside and probably end up on the campsite by the looks of it. But we'll see. Well, I've just left the hostel. It rained really heavily last night, and luckily I managed to get a room in the hostel. Now entering Tarfside proper. Today's just going to be a road walk to Northwater Bridge, so I doubt if there's going to be much to see. See how it goes. Right, so 17-mile road walk. Right, see you in a bit. That's 6 miles from Edsall, maybe 5. It's just been a damp, crappy day. But it always is after Tarfside. It's sort of almost the end of the challenge. Oh, what that is. Could be a kite. Right. Well, it keeps raining and I keep walking and I'm going in that direction. Trucking on down the road. We're trucking. It's quite pleasant actually. Oh. We've got about, I don't know how far we've got to go. But we are going that way. Right, I'll bring you back in a bit. Right, that's me left Northwater Bridge. It's the last day of the TGO. Got 8 miles to go. Basically heading to Montrose. There we go, last bit. Yeah, last look at the hills. There we go. Right, the sea. Oh, bloody hell. There we go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the North Sea. I think that's Montrose over there. Oh dear. It's been a long couple of weeks, I can tell you that. Right. I'm going to keep going. I'll bring you back in a bit. And the obligatory strawberry tart. What's this place called?
Charlton Farm.
Charlton Farm. It's a bit of a TGO tradition, this, isn't it? Yeah. So there we go. A tart. Well, there you go. Here I am at Montrose. More specifically, Montrose train station. I've just signed out. I didn't film in there because there's lots of people. Oh dear. Yeah, it was a good one this year. Yeah, there we go. All done again. 2 for 2. We'll probably do it again next year actually. But we'll see. Might do Cape Wrath, might do something else. So, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.